Welcome to this deep dive into what the year 2026 will look like for AI. In this presentation, we will explore why 2026 is expected to become a turning point for artificial intelligence, how it will transform industries, and what trends will define the future of work. We will cover the early, mid, and late stages of 2026, analyze official projections, and visualize how AI is expected to steadily replace human tasks throughout the year. Let's begin our journey into the future. As 2026 will begin, we will see the groundwork being laid for a massive AI-driven shift. Industries such as logistics and customer service will accelerate their adoption of AI-driven automation. Autonomous delivery systems and advanced AI chat systems will start to become mainstream, leading to initial workforce displacement, particularly among entry-level positions. This period will serve as the calm before the storm, setting the stone for the rapid changes that will follow later in the year. By mid-2026, AI adoption will accelerate significantly in sectors like healthcare and finance. AI systems will not only assist but also begin making primary decisions, reducing the need for human oversight. This will mark a critical point where mid-level professionals start to experience job disruption as automation expands beyond basic roles and into areas that were once considered secure from automation. Late 2026 will become the true turning point for AI integration. By this time, AI systems will dominate critical decision-making roles in businesses and government operations. This will ignite widespread societal debates around universal basic income and large-scale employment restructuring. Governments and corporations will respond by launching workforce transition programs, acknowledging that the change is not only inevitable but urgent. The projections for 2026 are illustrated through three key graphs. The first graph shows AI adoption reaching nearly 70% in critical sectors by the end of the 2026 year. The second graph reveals a significant decline in human task share, dropping by about 25% within just 12 months. Finally, the economic impact graph highlights how productivity will surge as AI-driven efficiency reshapes industries, even as the job market undergoes major disruption. This line chart represents AI's growing dominance in replacing human labor throughout 2026. Starting at around 20% in January, AI's role is projected to expand rapidly, reaching approximately 75% by December. This steep upward trajectory will underscore the speed of technological adoption and its profound impact on employment dynamics within a single year. In conclusion, 2026 will be the year that changes everything. AI will become deeply integrated into every major industry, forcing societies to rethink employment, education, and economic stability. The urgency for workforce adaptation programs and universal safety nets will become undeniable. As we look forward to 2027, these trends will only intensify, making it essential for businesses and individuals alike to stay informed and prepare for the future of AI.